Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are giving this wig thing another shot. You guys, I've been trying to work on this specific craft for a very long time. Right here I'm just showing you guys my braid down. I try to do very small and flat braids so that my wig can lay flat. This right here is the Butta lace wig. It's synthetic. It's by Sensational. I will put the description box, I'll put the link below on where I got this from. I got it off Amazon. Pretty good wig. I like it. Right here I also have these HD caps in which I got this technique from Jada. She said that these are the best caps in the game, and I agree with her. I really do agree with her. This might have, set the bar a little bit, okay? And I also have this new Eben spray. I haven't used it before, but I kind of do like it, y'all. I kind of do like it. And right here, I'm just showing you guys, I try to spray that right there along the hairline, because if I spray it too much below, then it don't come out right. So I try to do it right there along the hairline, and then I dry it. After I dry it, I'm gonna cut the cap. If you know, you know. Right here, you guys, I know y'all see that fly flying around. I was finna squirrel with that fly, because why is you doing that? Why I am doing a video, like, you crazy, okay? Right here I'm just showing you guys the wig. The wig is just wigging, okay? It is not a full lace, but it does have like the one middle part, which is pretty good. I wasn't tripping because I wanted a middle part anyways. And I'm just tinting it with my regular foundation as such. Then after I have tinted that lace, I'm going to spray it down with this even spray. And also, you guys, I should have also tinted my cap, but I didn't. But next time I will. Now I'm just cutting the cap, you guys, and as you can see, I'm trying to cut it right there where my hairline is, because like I said, it be looking crazy. I mean, some of my edges is sticking out. I'm a little nervous to take this wig out because of that, but I'm pretty sure everything will go good. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm trying to roll that thing back down, the cap back down, because it was lifting up a little bit after I cut it. I'm just showing y'all the details of this wig. It got the little elastic bands in the back, and it's got one comb in the back, two combs in the front. And I also feel like if you cut the lace, I feel like you would be able to make like a V-part wig. If you know, you know. So yeah, I'm just trying that wig on, y'all. Look, I just love wavy hair. Like, if you know me, you know that wavy and curly hair is my go-to wigs. I love them so much. Feel like I'm talking too fast, but you guys, here's me putting the ghost bun glue on, and right when I was about to get done, I realized I forgot to put some alcohol on my forehead, to wipe all that grease and stuff off. That way my wig can stay a little longer. So, you know what I'm saying, we took the cotton balls and we went ahead and wiped that glue off, and wiped that forehead off a little bit more, because I wanted it to stay for a couple of days, and that it did. Like, this wig is still on 4 days after, okay? So that's pretty good. So right here, I'm just putting some on the cap, and I'm also putting some on my forehead, and I'm doing little dots. I only did one layer because I wasn't planning on to keep it that long, but I did just wanted to test some things out, because I'm telling you guys, if I get this right, I'm gonna be open for service, okay? I'm gonna be open for service if I can get this right. So here's me just rubbing that glue on, and wait till your glue dries clear, and that's when you're gonna go ahead and pop that wig on. After I have got that lace onto that glue, I'm just going to spray my little hairline with this even spray. And then we are going to take my scarf and we are going to put the scarf on that and let it sit for 1 hour. I got that technique from my girl Ekane off TikTok. If you know, you know. And I really do think she did something with that one. She probably did. I think she did, y'all, because this wig is still on. But yeah. So while my edges and stuff is sitting there drying, we're going to go ahead and spray this wig with a little bit of dry shampoo because we trying to get rid of all that shine. You know what I'm saying? It's a synthetic wig, so it's going to be shining. And you don't want people to know that it's a synthetic wig, pretty much. But, like, it really was cute, y'all. Like, I love its hair. I really do. While that was sitting, I went ahead and did my makeup because why not? You know what I'm saying? New hair, new face. You already know it's popping. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, y'all. My head was hurting, so I had to go ahead and pull it off, but it was like an hour and 20 in. So, yeah. I'm taking that off, and yeah, she did something. Look at that. Look at that. Miss Girl, thank you. So now it's time to cut that lace. I cut my lace down the middle and then I'm just going to comb these little edges out so that I can put them out the way so that I can get finished cutting it with my eyebrow razor this time. So right here, you guys, it is a little white, so you know I gotta tint that lace a little bit. I should have just went ahead in with my contour powder because, I mean, I already had did my face, but I just did the foundation. I don't know why I did that, but, I mean, it still came out pretty good. I'm just gonna put that foundation down or your powder down, whatever you got, and then you're gonna spray it with spritz. This is the meltdown trick, okay, that everybody been doing. You know what I'm saying? I peak game, okay? I peak game. I'm catching on to you girls, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and melt that down some more with my little scarf. And I think I did this for about maybe 30 minutes this time. Right here, I'm just going to, you know, flat iron that part a little bit more. I put a little wax stick on there. Then I went over it with my hot comb. Make sure you guys do not have that hot comb too hot when you do that because it can burn, okay? You guys, what y'all think? Like, I took off the scarf. What do y'all think? I think that this probably is the best little meltdown I ever did, okay? But, I mean, I'm still keep trying and trying and trying. But I really do think that I'm onto something. Right here, you guys. I know I said that this, what you call it, was crappy, you know, this little straightening iron. But, honestly, since it don't get too hot, this is perfect for this wig because, you know, it's a synthetic wig, so it was perfect for this wig. Right here, I'm just doing my edges, curling them up, and then I am going to slick it down with some regular edge control. I do want to add that the edges on this wig was so, like, thin, like, perfect. I really do feel like this is like the perfect beginner wig for some of you guys who can't slick down your hair, you know, who can't do the wig. This is a perfect beginner wig. And honestly, I'm still beginner, so this is perfect for me, you know. So I am going to tie down my edges because I don't want these edges to move, okay? Not a sudden movement, okay? So I definitely tied those down. I also went in with my wax stick again, and I'm just hot combing the edges out again. I mean, as y'all can see, it's a little white right there. That's why I said I should have tinted my lace as well, my cap as well. That way that won't be showing. So right here, I'm going in with that contour powder. As y'all can see, much better. Much, much, much better. And then I'm going to define that part a little more. I'm putting some concealer right there. And I'm also going to take my mascara stick and I'm just going to go over my hair like that to kind of define that part. And then we're going to put some got to be right there so it can stay. And that is that, y'all, for the wig. So I had seen these little hair jewelry things on Sweetie and I thought they were so cute. I went straight to Amazon and I found some. And I will link these below, but these are so cute. It gave this wavy hair a pop. And I gotta find somewhere to wear these because, yeah, like they really are pretty as hell, okay? And I don't mean to put my ass in y'all face, but this is how long this wig is. So that is pretty good. For $35, you cannot beat that, okay? Go ahead and get this wig. This is my hair without the jewelry. So cute. It looks so natural and just, it's just giving goddess. Like, I love wavy hair. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I'm still learning on this wig thing, but it's so cool because I get to like take y'all on this journey with me and we can see me get better, okay? But thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Bye.